Well, it's Tampa Pete. I'm at the Seaboard Coastline train station, built in 1926. I'm going to take a little walk inside. I just love these old train stations from the 20s, 30s, and 40s. I was reading the sign, and all the wood on the doors and the windows are original wood. I wonder what that was. That was probably where you used to check in back in the 20s and 30s, 40s. It says no trespassing or loitering. Guess what I'm doing? It didn't say videotaping. Anyway, what I find fascinating is the wood chairs. These wooden chairs are beautiful. Just think back in the 30s and 40s, especially the 40s, all the soldiers that waited at this train station to go off to a war in some foreign country. But they're beautiful, beautifully built. They actually look pretty comfortable. Yeah, look at that. I don't know if that's the original lights, but it's really neat. So I wish I was dressed up like in the 30s and 40s. It'd be kind of fun. An Amtrak train, Miami, New York. The Atlantic Coast Line. That's what it looked like back in the day. Wow. I wish they had more pictures. So, at the train station, and I don't see our current president here. I thought maybe I'd catch him at the train station. Look at these old phone booths. I bet that's original. Anyway, that's pretty cool. Tampa Pete at the train station, looking for the guy that's running the country. I think he's around here somewhere. I'm not going on the train station, I'm just visiting. Anyway, I just had my spinal injection and it already feels good. Feels numb, little pain, but hopefully I'll get some relief. They're going to do more x-rays and something called spinal ablation. I don't know. They're going to do something. I said, do whatever you have to do. So I'll be back at the train station next month looking for whoever's running the country. All right, Tampa Pete's out.